Does State Farm life insurance cover suicidal death? Yes, State Farm life insurance policies cover suicidal death, but only after the suicide clause period has passed. This clause, typically lasting 2 years, prevents beneficiaries from receiving a payout if the policyholder dies by suicide within the first 2 years of the policy. First suicide clause in State Farm life insurance. Most life insurance policies, including those from State Farm, include a suicide exclusion clause. If the insured dies by suicide within 2 years of the policy start date, State Farm will not pay the full death benefit. Instead, premiums paid may be refunded to the beneficiaries. Second, coverage after the suicide clause period. Once the 2-year period has passed, State Farm pays out the full death benefit to beneficiaries, just like for any other cause of death. There are no additional exclusions related to suicide beyond the initial period. 3. What happens if suicide occurs within 2 years? If the policyholder dies by suicide during the first 2 years, beneficiaries typically receive a refund of the premiums paid, but not the full policy payout. This prevents fraud and ensures life insurance is not misused. Fourth suicide clause, reset for policy changes. If the policyholder renews, converts, or increases coverage, a new suicide clause period may begin for the additional coverage amount. It's essential to review any modifications to the policy with a State Farm representative. 5. Accidental death policies and suicide. State Farm's accidental death and dismemberment (ADD) insurance does not cover suicide, as it only pays for accidental deaths such as those caused by car accidents or workplace injuries. 6. How beneficiaries can file a claim. If a policyholder dies by suicide after the 2-year period, beneficiaries can file a claim by submitting the necessary documents, including a death certificate. State Farm will review the claim and process the payout if all conditions are met. State Farm life insurance covers suicide if it occurs after the 2-year exclusion period. Understanding the policy details can help ensure beneficiaries receive the expected benefits. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to State Farm life insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.